vaccine is considered to be very safe, can save your life, and if everybody takes the vaccine, then it's going to save our community as such, the human community as such. So even if a one person takes a vaccine and their neighbors don't take it, the chances that a fellow who has got taken vaccine can get it once again. So unless people develop herd immunity, there is no way we are going to survive this pandemic. So it's a must that everybody is pushed to take a vaccine. Just because you have taken vaccine doesn't mean that you are immune. You can get infections, but it's less.
Sir, is there any problem or side effect by taking after taking COVID vaccine?
Now, as of now, the people who have taken vaccines, they're not had many side effects or anything. There are a few side effects. That is in 1 in 10 lakhs and all those things. Those comparatively, you have more chances of dying due to an accident rather than with the vaccine. So, vaccine is considered to be very safe, can save your life, and if everybody takes the vaccine, then it's going to save our community as such, the human community as such. So, even if a one person takes a vaccine and their neighbors don't take it, the chances that a fellow who has got taken vaccine can get it once again. So, unless people develop herd immunity, there is no way we are going to survive this pandemic. So it's a must that everybody is pushed to take a vaccine. One. Second thing is, see, the side effects are like, ordinary fever and all things which you obviously get. You must have taken the vaccine during childhood, which you can obviously get during childhood and all. But with the COVID, it's a very, very 0.05% chances that, we might get side effects. Very rare. Those are very, very rare. And the benefits far outweigh the effects. The benefit of vaccine is much more than the side effects. Now, for example, KMC, we have given around 5,000 staffs and only vaccines, but we have hardly seen, by God's grace, any side effects. There are so many people of my patients who have taken, they have hardly seen any side effects. Yes, one or two we might have had some problems, but I think it's worthwhile taking the vaccines. At least you are sure that, there are a lot of studies have proved that you do not end up with ICU admissions. You might get, it may not prevent you from getting a second. If you're not careful, you might get a second time, the COVID infection second time. But it definitely prevents you from getting serious COVID. So I think it is worthwhile taking the vaccine. Everybody should take the vaccine, especially once the government opens it for anybody above 18. It's a must that population takes it, because they are the ones who go out. Their parents are very careful at home. But these young individuals can go to market and all this place, party around, and then they bring the disease to home. So it is a must that they should take the vaccines. There is no problem at all. And especially persons, I got a lot of calls from elderly people saying that, I am on heart medications and should I take? Yes, you have to take the vaccines. Unless you are on very blood thinners, which you have to stop for 2 days before the vaccine. Other than that, everybody has to take the vaccine. It's a must, I would say. The commonest side effect which we have seen is a fever, which can last almost up to 5 days. But anybody getting fever more than 5 days, then you have to get yourself checked, because it may not be due to the due to the vaccine per se as such. Body ache is seen, headache is seen. So these are all commonest side effects. Some people can develop weakness of the legs and all those things. Those are seen with any vaccine, which can be like a GB syndrome and all, which are very rare, very, very rare. And that is seen with anyone normal injection, injection whichever you have taken also, which usually we give injection, TT and all those things. So there are chances that they might get due to any other vaccine also. It's a common side effect of all vaccines. But other than that, we have not seen any other important side effects, major side effects. Then rare ones are extremely rare. I don't think it is worthwhile talking about it. Then, but who cannot take the vaccine? Patients who have had fever recently or who have had COVID infection recently, they cannot take it for 1 month or so. Any fever, any cough, if you are suffering from, please do not take vaccines. If you are absolutely fine, if there is no other illness, acute illness going on, then there is no problem. Everybody should take vaccines. There is no other contraindications for vaccine. Only thing is, then one more thing. Certain people with allergy to penicillin and all, they should be monitored very well, because they can develop anaphylaxis. Basically, they are allergic to medicine, so they can get allergic to injections. So those who are allergic to penicillin and certain drugs have to take with caution. But the newer drugs are okay. You can take in this thing. You can take in the vaccine. Their options are available with the Covaxin, Covishield. So you can take in Covaxin probably. But other than that, there is no other contraindications for vaccines. My humble request is that everybody should take vaccine irrespective of the age. Anybody above 18, government has allowed everybody above the age of 18 to take vaccine. So I feel everybody should take the vaccines. And even after taking vaccine, your antibodies takes almost up to a month to develop. So, and that too after the second dose, So it is better that almost 2 to 3 months up to after your second dose is over, you have to continue the mandatory mask, mandatory sanitization, and mandatory social distancing. These three have become part of our lives, and we have to continue it. Just because you have taken vaccine doesn't mean that you are immune. You can get infections, but it's less. But once everybody, the majority of the population is taken, like in US right now, they are slowly removing off the mask. You can, if you're vaccinated, everybody vaccinated, then the mask can go off. So it is our duty that, everybody gets vaccinated, from the poorest of the poor to the richest. Everybody has to get vaccinated. Only then we can walk like how we used to do before, the old normal.